The objective of this activity is to make a protractor using paper folding method. Let's understand the concept in hand. What is a protractor? As you can see the figure here, this is a geometrical instrument which is used to measure or make angles. It is a semicircular shaped instrument where you find that there is a 0 on the extreme right here and 180 on the extreme left here. So this straight angle is an angle of 180 degree. If you move anti-clockwise from 0, you find that the numbers are increasing on the outer circumference. This is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, 50, 60, so on up to, they move on up to 180 degree. And if you move clockwise from 180 degree on the extreme left, then they start increasing again and they move in tens. 180 becomes 190, then 200, 210, 220, and when you reach 0, the number becomes 360 degree. So this is the representation of numbers or the angles on a protractor, and this is used to measure angles. Let's see what is the material required to make this protractor. We require a sheet of paper, pair of scissors for cutting work, geometry box for drawing, and sketch pens. Let's perform this activity of making a protractor now.
This is the activity on construction of a protractor. As you can see here, I have taken a rectangular sheet of paper, and the condition is the length of this rectangle should be double of the breadth. So if you take 5 centimeters here, you have to take 10 centimeters here. Only then this will work. After taking this rectangular sheet of paper, you have to fold it into half like this to make a crease here. And so you can see I'll draw a line here. This is the crease formed as a result of folding it into half like this. And now fold it like this. See, this is exactly 1/4 of the total rectangle, and you will have another crease. So you can draw a line along the crease like this, and finally fold it like this. So you will have another crease which you can highlight using the pencil or sketch pen like this. So you will have a figure formed like this. After this, you can take the compass and open it appropriately, place it at this point here, and then draw a semicircle like this. So as you can see, I am drawing a semicircle using that particular center, and which gives us the shape of a semicircle and 3 lines on it. Now you have to cut this along the curve like this. So the shape which you will obtain will resemble this. As you can see here, we have cut out this particular D and we get a shape like this. Now this resembles a protractor, and the line here, this line, horizontal line, is the line for 0 degree. The line which is along this crease, this shows 45 degree. The vertical line here shows 90 degree. The slanted line here, this shows 135 degree angle, and this shows 180 degree angle. So this is a simple protractor which can be made at home using this activity, which shows us 5 angles: 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, and 180 degree. And that completes our activity on construction of a protractor.